To see how I got this look using Jaclyn Hill's Drugstore Favorites, please keep watching and leave your drugstore favorites in the comments below. So Jaclyn didn't mention any brow products or moisturizer, I think, in her video. So I did that beforehand, and I used Anastasia Beverly Hills for the eyebrows, and I used Clinique, like the yellow lotion, to moisturize. I think she mentioned everything else, so we'll just sort of go through the list. I'm going to link the video below so you can view her video, you know, to see how she went through her drugstore favorites. And some of these products that she mentions I have used before, and then some of them I haven't. So I'll tell you, you know, as I go which ones, like, hey, I've used this one before, and hey, I haven't used this one. So this one is also one of my favorites. $10, you know, you really can't beat it. So I just sort of spread it. Most of the time I do it with my hand. I don't know why I didn't today, but anyways. And you'll see it just sort of gives your face a nice glow. And a lot of times what I do too is I pour my foundation out and then I mix it in with my foundation. I actually kind of like that a little better. Favorites for the foundation is this Lumi cushion. So I thought it would probably be easier to put the primer on first. So here's what the Lumi one looks like. And I mean, there's a lot of product that comes out of there. I had never used this one before, like the Wet n Wild one. But I'll tell you, it doesn't compare as far as, doesn't compare as far as the amount of product it seems like you get. And the coverage is unreal. So I'm really shocked by this. I'm a huge fan of Loreal foundations overall. And the concealer that she mentions, also one of my favorites. And this is the Maybelline, I don't really know what it's called, Maybelline concealer. But this one reminds me exactly of the NARS one. And I mean, I've been using this one for a while now. And I am a fan of the triangle under the eyes still, the bright under eyes. I don't know. I just think it really does something for the overall look. Especially when you're my age. It just seems to kind of wake your eyes up. And I'm bad to kind of look tired, so, you know, whatever you're into. So, pulling this out. Next, another thing that she doesn't mention is like a setting powder, and there are a few from the drugstore that I like. I can't remember when she shot her video, so you know, maybe at that time, you know, there really wasn't much to choose from. I'm not sure, but I like the Maybelline setting powder. But since I have this one out, this is just from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna kind of go over my face and just kind of set it. But she doesn't mention these Loreal Infallibles. I do need to go in with some sort of kind of transition shade. So we're going to use this Butter Bronzer that she mentions. Because this color that we're going to use, and that looks really pretty as far as a transition shade. The color that we're going to go, and it's a lot darker than what I thought it was going to be. I was actually kind of concerned because I've noticed that on YouTube, I hear a lot of people talk about this bronzer. And most of them are kind of fair skin. And I mean, I'm fair, but I do like to use my self-tanner. So, you know, I wanted it to work either way, and it doesn't look that dark. But the color payoff is really nice. And with the L'Oreal Infallible. And this is a beautiful color. I mean, I don't know if you can see. But that is really pretty. Okay, so I think maybe I'm going to try to go in with my finger. Just kind of concentrate it there in the center. Wow, and that is a beautiful color. Okay, and then just the same thing over here. Okay, so next we're going to go in with this Maybelline. Let's go in with it. Next thing is the Loreal Voluminous Carbon Black, and I got the 4 times. I noticed they had it 2 times and 4 times. They're the same price, so I got 4 times. I'm not sure if I've used this stuff before. I'm not real huge on mascara because I wear false lashes pretty much every day. But I do like these applicators. I don't like the little plastic ones that are real thin, you know. So I like this. I mean, this is nice. A nice formula. Nice applicator. But, you know, like I said, not so much into the mascara. Don't feel like you have to use eyelashes. I could have totally not worn them. It's just whatever you're comfortable with. And I think from where I wear them so much that when I don't wear them, I'll end up not liking the look, or, you know, I just feel kind of naked without them. So, and I'm very impressed with the way that it looked on the eyes. So we're gonna just go in with that. Oh, that's beautiful. I can't believe I haven't tried this sooner. That is really pretty. And it smells wonderful. It reminds me of my mom when we used to go to the beach when I was a kid. Nice, I really like that. The Luminoso blush from Milani, and it's just kind of like a peachy blush, and I've had this one for a long time, which is why my container has seen better days. But last thing she has, she talks about these NYX Butter Glosses, and I have several from NYX. I think these two are probably the ones I use the most. Let's try this one. Let's do the dark one. It is Praline. Let's use some of this Loreal eyeshadow that we use. Let's use it as a highlighter. So this is the completed look using Jaclyn Hill Drugstore Favorites. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again next time.